So let's enter our coin collection. The first page you see the coins that have been issued during Queen Victoria period, which is from 1862 to 1901. And then these are all the coins that have been issued during the Edward period, which is from 1901 to 1910. You can see the Edward King's photo here. Next, these are during George V period, which is from 1911 to 1935. You can see all these coins. There are some rare coins, 2 annas, 4 annas, 8 annas, quarter rupee, half rupee, 1 rupee. You can see the king's portrait behind. And next is King George VII coins, which is from 1936 to 1947 till we got independence. Quarter anna, there is 1 anna, 2 annas, 1 pice, which they called it as Votakalna. There we have quarter rupee, half rupee, and also 1 rupee. And then these are the coins that were in circulation during our independence period. So all these coins, you can see the year 1947 mentioned in it. Next, this is the very first coins issued by the Republic of India. And during those time, we still followed the British coin system, where we can see it is 1 pice, half anna, 1 anna, 2 anna, quarter rupee, half rupee, and 1 rupee. And these coins will have our Ashoka emblem printed behind. And when we move to the decimal system, here we have 1 pice, 2 pice, 5 naya pice, 10 naya pice, and 25 naya pice, 50 naya pice, 1 rupee. And gradually we moved on to our decimal system. So these are all from 1971 to further. And next, these are all the aluminium issue coins, where you can see 1 pice, 2 pice, 3 pice, 5 pice, 10 pice. And then we have like brass 20 pice, 25 pice, 50 pice, and 1 rupee. Followed by, so during this period we have demonetized 1 pice, 2 pice, and 3 pice. So it starts from 5 pice. We have 5, 10, 20, 50, 1, and 2 rupees. Then we have demonetized 5 pice, so we can have 10. So it starts from 10 pice, 25, 50, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, and 5 rupees have been introduced during these periods. 5 rupees. Then you see during this period 2004 to 2007 we have 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, and 10 rupees, which has been discontinued soon. They got a new design, and 10 rupees have been introduced during this 2007 period, 10 rupee coins. Then you can see 50 pice, even though 25 pice have been demonetized, so it starts from 50 pice, but later 50 pice stopped minting from 2016. So then 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. And this is the latest design. I'm yet to get this 1 rupee. So we have 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, and 20 rupees.